Our 37-year-old patient comes in. She's a month out from her abdominoplasty, which is a tummy tuck. We also fixed an umbilical hernia, and we also did a breast mastopexy, or breast lift. And she's very graciously agreed to share how she feels and how her recovery is going.
It's 1,000 times better now. The first, I would say, even 2 weeks, especially the first week, I was regretting what I did.
Yep.
And you told me that would happen.
Yep.
And I had friends who told me that would happen. And I think I underestimated it, especially with 4 young kids.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like last Monday or Tuesday, I was like, I got out of bed, got dressed, got showered, and I was like, wait a minute. I feel like I've turned a corner here.
Yeah.
Like I'm not as sore here. I can stand up straight.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting my hands behind my arms behind my back. I couldn't do that comfortably before.
Yeah.
I wore jeans. Here.
Wow.
Yeah. I wore jeans on Friday. Yeah.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
They feel good?
Those cut off my circulation a little bit. So but the ones, I have Good American ones, and I wore them on Friday, and they zip right up.
Nice.
No resistance.
Nice.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Fabulous. And you're back at a month. I really tell people that they should be able to do anything they want activity-wise. Would you feel that that's appropriate?
I am picking up each of my 30-pound twins. Yeah. I'm still a little sore. Like, first thing in the morning, I wake up stretching, and I'm like, ooh, that's still a little tender right up top.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, I realized last night I read my middle daughter a book, and I was like reclined in her bed. When I sat up, I just sat up.
You just sat up?
I didn't have to roll to one side. I didn't have to like overcompensate or ask my husband to help me because I don't have the muscles to do it.
I mean, you certainly have the muscles.
Yeah.
They're now centralized.
They're just little baby muscles now, and I need to work on them now.
And you can.
I know.
And I tell you, you totally can. And how do you feel about your breast lift?
So I lost like 60 plus pounds since my very first consultation with you 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And they were not on the table for me at that point.
Right.
After losing weight, after having 4 kids in rapid succession, they were on the table. They were literally on the table. And now it was like this thing I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it because I'm doing the other thing.
Yeah.
I may as well just do it at the same time. I'm so glad I did that. Okay. That has been a very happy byproduct of what I've done. I'm like, oh, I like these again. Oh, like I take my bra off and I'm like, I look at my husband. I'm like, look from the side. Look where they are. You take the bra off and they stay there.
Yeah.
They don't go down.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And really the abdomen and the breast unify your entire your body expression and experience. And so we do have a lot of patients who will opt to do it at the same time.
I told my mom and my husband if I had not done it at the same time, I'm not sure I'd go back and do the breasts after. Although it's different because they have been...
Hasn't been uncomfortable.
No, not even barely.
Yeah.
But I am glad I did it all at once. It's all done, and I'm very happy with it.
Excellent.
Mm-hmm.
As you look back at your journey, and we have a long 2-year journey because you shared with me that you came and saw me 2 years ago when you were first contemplating this, and then you very successfully went on to lose 60 pounds leading up to this operation. What were some of your fears and aspirations as we moved into the operation?
My biggest fear was my 4 kids. It was kind of less about me because they're all very attached to their mother, as kids are.
Yeah.
I was worried about not being able to do anything, and I wasn't able to do anything, but I had people who stepped up and helped out, and very slowly I started doing things, and now I'm like,
You're right
like
back
my twins, my 2.5-year-old twins are like, Mommy, all better? No, your back no hurt, your belly no hurt. And I'm like, no, I'm good. But also don't kick me or punch me because I'll cry. I also I was hoping to be comfortable in a one-piece bathing suit. Never thought I'd try on a bikini and be like, oh shit. This I'm buying it. I bought 2 of them.
Did you?
Different
really?
colors, yeah.
And a month out, you've got 2 bikinis.
That's
fantastic.
Yeah.
That is so fabulous.
It's probably been, I've been with my husband for 15 years, and it's probably been 13 years since I've been in a bikini.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
That's a big deal for me, anyway. I was not expecting that. So I was in Target the other day, and I'm like, I'll just try it on for fun. And then I bought 2 of them.
That's fantastic.
They were also on sale, so that didn't hurt. Yeah.
That is so fantastic. Well, you're making great progress. You're doing exactly everything you're meant to. And you even shared with us, since this was a drainless abdominoplasty, which is certainly works in my hands, not in every surgeon's hands, and it's something that I feel very comfortable offering. But you made an observation this morning that the swelling in your belly had really gone down. Do you want to share a little bit of that?
So I think I uploaded pictures for you guys in that Touch MD. It was like 4 or 5 days after surgery, and I was like, I think something's wrong because I'm so swollen. Yeah. And you were like, nope, you're good. Yeah. It's just part of what you're going through. And I was so uncomfortable because I was numb and also swollen. It's a weird combination. But every night I do the lymphatic massage. I take off the compression. I lay in bed and I just do it and I chill out for a little bit. And I feel like I wake up in the morning and I'm like, huh. And literally, I would say probably this past Wednesday, I was like, I think my swelling is like a lot better. Yeah. And I tried on jeans on Friday and I was like, it's great.
Well, it's all about re-educating the abdominal contour to accept the new lymphatic pathways. And I think that the drains actually can confuse your body. Okay. Because the fluid's still coming out, through the old pathways, and they've been truncated. They've been eliminated because we removed all that tissue. Right. So the body has to learn different pathways. And so I think that helping the body to re-educate through new pathways without the drains leads to an accelerated recovery and ultimately a better result.
Yeah, I did it all by myself.
And you did it.
My body did it all by itself. Yeah, yeah.
There's a great kids song, I Did It Myself.
Yeah. Oh, my kids are... I do it myself. Okay.
Self does it.
Yes.
Self does it. Yeah. You're so great. All right. Well, the one last question I always like to ask people is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
If they look like me beforehand, 1,000%. It's going to suck. It's going to suck really bad for the first week to 2 weeks. Yeah. And then you'll start to see the little light at the end of the tunnel. And, I felt like a truck hit me the first couple of days, first week. And, just the fact that I bought a bikini, I'm like, man, that's amazing. So I sent my mom a picture. I sent my sister a picture. I sent everyone. I was like, look, this is what I look like now. It's crazy.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, me too. Thanks.
You're so welcome. You're so welcome. Well, thank you for sharing your story.